Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Sazuki and my teammate Su Suan will explain about our project CPA Car Seat Company Network Design. The network design is starting with the network topology. The network topology of our system is a building with 3 floors with 5 departments. So we divide the department by 1 department in the first floor, which is finance, 2 departments in the second floor, which is IT and marketing, and 2 departments in the third floor, which is procurement and HR. In this network, we're using 1 server, 1 router, 7 switches, 10 PCs, and we're connecting with copper straight through cable. Firstly, we need to set the HTTP server. We need to set the HTTP server by create how many full name that we want. Because we are creating 5 departments, we are creating 5 full name here. And we also assign the start IP address for each department separately, so we can have more space in each department. And next, we need to assign the name for each department. Like for example here, plan 10 with the name marketing, and plan 20 is HR, and so on until plan 50 name is provision procurement. And then we can see here that we can view the plan for and plan name with using command show plan brief. Like here we using command show plan brief, and we can see the plan, which is plan 10, 20, 50, and 15 with port 2 to 6. So port 2 to 6 is not available in plan 1, but in this plan 10 to 15. And then we need to assign connection to PC. And every switch we assign the internet that connected to PC line. This is the command, and we need to switch port access and switch port access plan to the specified plan, which is plan 20 for this example. So we can see the connection of the line 40, which is we using for the finance department, but at ports F01 are connected to plan 40 finance and is active.
Next, we want to add new PC to each of the department. For example, we want to add a PC to switch 4, and the switch port VLAN is 40. We want to set the switch port VLAN 40, and the connection between the PC to the switch, the copper wire is fast Ethernet 0/3. So we can write at here, interface fast Ethernet switch port access VLAN, and then exit, so that we exit and we can go to check is it is successfully assigned or not by typing show VLAN brief. After that, you can see that the FA0/T is not here already, and it is assigned to the VLAN 40, which is financial. Okay. Next. And here, we need to assign the interface fast Ethernet 0/1 until 5, etc. Because we have 5 switch, each switch is connected with 2 PC, and then we need another 1 switch to combine all the information. After that, it will transfer to the router easily. So we take the FA01 until 5 which is the connection between each switch to the main switch. This is the main switch, and do the trunking. After we do the trunking, we can see the F801 until 5 is here, and the status is trunking. After we do the trunking, it will show this message. Okay, next. After we do the trunking, we can go to the switch, another switch like marketing, financial, HR, or others to check is it the port is matched and the status is it trunking, or the mode is it auto. Okay. And here, Azim fast Ethernet encapsulation. We need to go to the router to do the fast Ethernet encapsulation. At router, we use the encapsulation, but for switch, we use the switch port mode access VLAN. So at router, we use the interface fast Ethernet 0/1.10 is for VLAN 10. .20 is for VLAN 20, and so on and so forth. And after that, we encapsulate the .1Q for VLAN 10 and assign the IP address for VLAN 10, which is 192.168.10.1, and so on and so forth, 20, 30, 40, and 50. After that, we do the encapsulation. We can see the interface of router after assigning the fast Ethernet. We can see here the status show all down, means that we haven't set yet, but the IP address is already set at here. So we need to make this status from down to up by typing interface fast Ethernet 0/1, which is the switch connected to the router. The port router connected to the switch, to the main switch, is fast Ethernet 0/1. After that, we type no shutdown, then it will stay to up. And if the status is down, the connection line will show the red dot, means we haven't assigned yet. To turn up the status, like just now I say, the connection between the main switch to router is FA 0/1, and we just now type the interface fast Ethernet 0/1, and it already changed state to up, everything. So the line is become green already. Next, VLAN connect to router. And here, we need to configure the fast Ethernet 0/1 that the VLAN from 10 to 50 can go through this router. Here we type in FA0/0 and the IP address is 1.1 and no shut, then it will turn up. It should turn up before that it is down, right? Okay, next. Connecting router and switch. Before we connect the router and switch, we need to set up the IP address for server, which is IP helper address 192.168.1.2. This is the IP address for the server. After that, we can assign the IP helper address to each of the fast Ethernet in the router. This will allow the connection between the router to server. The server will transfer the IP address for the PC, right? That's all from me. Thank you.
So now I'm going to show example on showing our network are actually working. We can do that by trying to ping between one PC to the other, and I choose PC 6 and go to the command prompt. In the command prompt, I can use command ping 192.168.30.3, which we're pinging to the PC 2 in floor 2. So if I click enter, it will show reply and it means the connection is successful.